Leaving the ends of your ribbons with a side cut like this could look very plain. Then how would you make them look attractive? I'll tell you. Catching the end of the ribbon, fold it into half like this. Once it is folded into equal half, from the open end, put a slant cut like this. So once you have done the slant cut, you will notice that this ribbon has a shape like this. Since this ribbon was thinner, I will show you on a bigger one. However, let me show you what is the difference between the side cut and the one that we just made. On the fatter ribbon as well, I will show you so that it will become easier for you all. Fold it into half, and from the open end of this ribbon, I will do a side cut. This is the open end, and there goes my side cut. There. And once you open the end of the ribbon, this is how it looks. Isn't that neat and very beautiful? A very nice way to present your ribbon. I feel on a bow tie or something it will look nice. If you like the hack, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, How Hacks.